Arison Lashes.
Welcome to Arison Lashes channel. I'm Athena. In this lash fanning series, we'll share 9 fanning methods and 3 variations for a total of at least 12 techniques. This first episode covers 4 of the most commonly used fanning methods and 2 variations: the lonely fan method, pivot method, tension push method, pinch method, knuckle pinch method, and the blooming glue cut method. Let's get started. We're starting with the lonely fan method, also known as the on the strip method. Grab the number of lashes you want securely and lift them. Place that bundle onto an empty spot on your used lash strip. Use the tip of your tweezers to press down on the base and roll it back and forth slightly. The tips will naturally bloom into a beautiful fan. If you're not satisfied with the fan, continue adjusting it. When the fan looks good, grab it tightly and lift it. Dip the base of the fan 2 to 3 mm into your lash glue. Take it out slowly and you can apply it or crystallize it. Let's watch another example. In this example, I rolled the rightmost lash too much and it's hard to fix, so I simply removed it. Continue adjusting the fan until it's perfect. When I picked up this lash fan, its base wasn't fully closed, but that's okay. It will close once dipped into glue. Third example. The tweezers I'm using are Arison Lashes horizontal fiber tip tweezers. One inner side of the tips features a horizontal fiber texture, which provides secure gripping power. Whether you're picking up a lash or lifting a fan, no strand gets left behind. The horizontal fiber tip does not interfere with the lashes sliding sideways between the tweezers, so it doesn't affect lash fanning like regular fiber tip tweezers do. This makes it a truly versatile tweezers. Next up is the pivot method. Pick up your lashes, but don't lift them all the way. Leave about 1 mm attached to the strip. Then lay the bundle down sideways. Press and roll the base slightly until it fans out. This technique is a variation of the lonely fan method. The advantage is that the lash bundle won't spread or get crossed when lifted up. The push method is also a variation of the lonely fan method. We'll be using double-sided tape for elasticity. Grab your lashes and place them onto the tape. Instead of rolling the base, push the lash forward from the base. Because the stretchy double-sided tape creates unique tension, the lashes will naturally spread out and forward, creating a symmetrical and even fan. Let's see another example. See? The lashes spread out evenly like magic. Adjust the leftmost strand, which shrinks inward. Now we have a perfect fan. Why use double-sided tape? Because some lash strips are not elastic or stretchy, making lashes difficult to push. You can test your lash strip to see if this method works. The pinch method is often used for volume fanning. Grab the number of lashes you want and lift them up. Place the lash base between your index finger and thumb. Pinch the base while releasing your tweezers slightly, allowing the lashes to fan out. Apply pressure from bottom to top to pinch the lash base, imagining the base being squeezed into an inverted triangle. Focus more on releasing tension from the tweezers rather than pinching. Regrip to adjust the shape of the fan. Now we get an evenly open fan. Take a closer look at the base. Here are 2 more examples. Besides using fingertips, the pinch method can also be done using the knuckle. After picking up the number of lashes you want, place the base onto your knuckle. In this example, the second knuckle of the index finger. Then use the knuckle to pinch the base. Another example is shown as well. Fanning using a blooming glue cup reduces time and makes it easier to achieve a pointed base, which leads to better retention. Grip lashes at the mid-shaft to give the base room to move. Pull the lashes toward you or upward off the strip. I'm using Arison horizontal fiber tip tweezers with strong grip, so no lash strands slip or get missed. Dip the base into glue, then place the base into a notch on the glue cup. Pull the lashes sideways or downward through the slot. Micro-release the tweezer's tension. The narrow gap will squeeze the base together and force the top of the lashes to spread into a fan. Once the fan is symmetrical with a pointed and thin base, grip and lift it out of the notch. Pro tips for perfect fans. 1. The most important part is tweezer's tension. You must learn to micro-release your grip when the lashes are in the notch to let them bloom, then grip tightly before pulling them out. 2. The blooming glue cup method works best with 0.03, 0.05, and 0.07 diameter lashes. That's it for today's video. We have covered 6 lash fanning methods. We'll be sharing 6 more fanning techniques in the next video. Which method would you like a deeper breakdown on? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Arison Lash's video. We'll see you soon.